Hello everybody. Here I will show you how to automate your real estate business with Zapier. Now, imagine this. You're managing multiple tasks across different platforms, and it feels like you're juggling too many balls at once. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could automate some of these tasks, allowing you to focus more on closing deals and less on the mundane? Well, that's exactly what we're going to tackle today with the help of Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a streamlined process that connects all your platforms seamlessly, making your real estate operations more efficient and less time-consuming. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up our web browser and head over to Zapier's website. Now, Zapier is an incredibly powerful tool that lets you automate those repetitive tasks between two or more apps without needing to write a single line of code. Think of it as creating your very own digital assistant that works tirelessly in the background to keep everything running smoothly. This is the kind of efficiency that PMN Online loves to help you achieve. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, take a look at the top right corner and click on that login button. If you're already a member, you can just log in. But for those who aren't, let's keep it simple and use a Google account to sign in. This method is not only quick, but also ensures that your login details remain secure and synchronized. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home dashboard. Here, there are a plethora of options at your disposal, but let's focus on our main goal for today: creating a new Zap. A Zap in Zapier lingo is an automated task that connects your apps and handles the heavy lifting for you. It's like having an invisible team member who's always on duty, freeing you from the repetitive tasks. To start crafting our automation, click on Create. This action will take you to a menu where you need to select Zaps. Our first task is to set up a trigger, which is essentially the event that will kick off your automation process. For this tutorial, let's use Facebook lead ads as our trigger source. This is particularly useful if you're running ad campaigns to bring in potential clients. The ability to capture leads directly from Facebook is a game changer. Now, let's move on to choosing an event. In this case, select New Lead. This means every time a new lead is generated through your Facebook ads, it will automatically trigger your Zap. But before we go further, it's essential to connect and sign into your accounts. Click on Sign In to enable Zapier to access your apps. This is vital for allowing Zapier to manage and streamline the flow of data between your applications. It's important to ensure these connections are secure and to test them to avoid any future issues. Next, our focus shifts to the action part of the Zap. Click on Action, and this time, we're going to connect with Google Sheets. Google Sheets will serve as our organized repository, where all the lead data captured will be stored in a structured format. To do this, move forward by selecting Create Spreadsheet Row. This setting ensures that every new Facebook lead results in a new row being created in your Google Sheet, complete with all the necessary details. Again, don't forget to sign into your Google account to facilitate a smooth setup. Once everything is linked up and the settings look perfect, it's time to test the setup. Testing is crucial as it ensures that your newly created Zap works without a hitch. And finally, once you've confirmed everything is functioning as intended, go ahead and click on Publish to activate your new Zap. With these steps completed, your real estate business should now enjoy a more automated and efficient lead management system. This is the kind of streamlined efficiency we at PMN Online aim to provide through our tutorials. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to automate your real estate business with Zapier. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.